Hey, Dobby the Fixing Elf here, and welcome back to the channel. And now it's time to find out what's in the toolbox. And in the toolbox today is this WORKPRO Pliers set. So it comes with a pair of cutters, some needle nose pliers, some combination pliers, and also some water pump pliers. In a few moments I'll give you a closer look at each one. I'll show you some of their features. So let's start with the side cutters first. So as you can see, here they are. Got these nice handles on them, very comfortable to hold. You get a nice good grip on them. Nice range of movements. I've had these for about a year and it hasn't really developed any real slop or play in the closing mechanism. Let me just grab a piece of wire quickly and I'll give you a demonstration of it cutting. So here's a bit of cable off an old appliance I had, and as you can see, straight through, no problem whatsoever. And you can see that 3 cords inside there of stranded wire, so you need to cut really well. They're a really useful little tool to have, especially for when you're trimming off old housing. Yeah, great little side cutters here. Moving on to the next set of pliers in this lovely kit. So the next set of pliers are the needle nose pliers that it comes with. Fairly nice. Again, they've got the same handles as the side cutters. I really do like these handles. They feel great in your hand. Nice good grip. Plenty of leverage to get hold of things. I won't put my finger in there, that'll hurt. Let me grab a piece of wire again to see if they've got a little bit of cutters at the bottom. It's not as good as the cutters on the side cutters, but then you don't really expect it to be. And this is quite thick, especially with the housing on it. But yeah, we do a really good job. A couple of cuts and that one's through. And yeah, really great gripper. I've used them a lot. Useful for getting off all sorts of different things, such as pipe clamps and just generally holding stuff while you're working with it. Useful little set of needle noses there. Right, let's move on to the next tool. So up next are these combination pliers. Great little set of pliers. Again, lovely handles. These are probably the least used set of pliers I've had. As you can see, we've got a part for holding a bolt or a nut, as well as another set of cutters. A nice grip here. I will give you a bit of a closer look at these in just a second of all the things. But yeah, very nice. Again, nice smooth movement. You can't really complain. They've just served me well. Right, let's move on to the last set of pliers in this, which is the water pump pliers. So here are the water pump pliers. You can see they're nice, they're fairly long, good grip. As you can see, they've been well used. Quite a big range of adjustment on them, as you can see here. So I got completely out of shot then, but as you can see, nice big range of adjustment. All the way down to a really small range of adjustment. Nice opening, closing mechanism. Yeah, I can't really complain. I will give you a closer look at all these pliers in just a second with the macro lens on the camera. But yeah, so far they've served me really well. Again, I've used these on most repairs. I use them on one of the gear linkers to help me pop the gear linkers together. Great for that because they've got a nice amount of leverage on them. So yeah, that's that, and we will move on to the close-up views of all the pliers now. So see you in a few seconds. So here we come with the macro lens. Just have a quick close-up look on all these. Sorry about the shadow, I'm still going to work on the lighting. As you can see, these are the handles, very nice. And these are the cutting edge. As I said, I've had these for about a year and they still have stayed relatively intact. I don't know if I can get that to focus on there. Go on, that's it, you focus, perfect. Yeah, so that was the side cutters. Very nice, no damage as I get it after a year of use, so that's quite good. Moving on to the needle noses next. So here come the needle noses, as you can see. A bit dirty in there, but no real damage to any of the teeth or the cutters. We'll get a bit closer look there. But as you can see, no real damage. So they've been used quite a lot over the last year. And sometimes I haven't used them in the right way, but I've used them in the way you use pliers, if you know what I mean. So yeah, so far so good. Right, let's move on to the combination pliers next. So here come the combination pliers. So like I said, these are the least used pair. But as you can see, There's been no damage. I've still used them a fair amount, to be fair. Yeah, so nice and fairly robust. And finally, the water pump pliers. So as you can see, there's a bit of damage just at the top there if I can get to focus on it. There you are, so just up here by my thumb here. Again, these have been used for taking off water pipes, grabbing hold of bolts and stuff in hard to reach places. Just for adjustment. As you can see, there's a nice range of adjustment there. Overall, very pleased with them. So what are my final thoughts on these pliers? I found them really useful. They're a great little set to have. Considering the price, they've served me really well. There will be a link in the comments and in the description to the way you can get these from on Amazon. But yeah, I'm very pleased with them. They are a great little set. I like the fact they've got nice coloured handles. I am a big fan of red and blue. Mainly the blue more, but yeah, really nice. Like I said, I've used them for all sorts, and yeah, great little set of pliers. I highly recommend you getting yourself a set. Thank you for watching until the end. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, why not drop a like on this video? If you have any questions about this video, or any of my other videos, why not ask in the comments and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. If you want to see more from me, why not subscribe to the channel? And with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and have a sensational day.